Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've never had a question like this before. Somebody asked me why a dotted line, and if we look, this is a 10-point line, why a dotted line does not leak when you use the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to go ahead and set it on. I'm always using somebody else's file, and I have to go back. I'm going to set it on black because the line's red. I'm going to fill this in, and it doesn't leak. It appears that it should leak. So they brought up a pretty good point. But if you look at the line in view of wireframe, it is still a line. So to make it leak, I think that's what they're trying to do, is you could take that line and go to object and convert the outline to an object. And now you can see their individual squares and you can break the curve apart and you could actually move individual squares. But they are right. Now it will leak and I have a rectangle to keep it from leaking throughout the page. So this is some things I guess some people might do sometime to get a negative feel on a line. If we look and make another rectangle and fill it in with yellow and then go to object and order and back a page, you can see that the little squares are transparent. They would actually make holes or not make holes. If you were going to engrave this, you'd have little pieces of wood sticking up. So that's a pretty unusual question, but it's a good question. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.